Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a complete walkthrough of a custom real estate website built from scratch. Whether you are a realtor, an Airbnb host, or a small business owner, this demo will give you a full look at what's possible with a professional, fully integrated website. Let's dive in. Starting with the homepage, this is the first impression visitors will see. So as you can see, it is designed to be clean, easy to navigate, right? You have your gateway, the Schuilplaats, address, sneak peek, things to do, take a tour, and contact. So easy to navigate, and yes, visually appealing. So here we have a high quality image of the property, and the reason you want to do that is you want to show them as much quality possible from the get-go. So we have an inviting tagline that says come and enjoy your gateway. So right below that we have two buttons with a clear call to action that encourages our visitors to view the property or to schedule their stay. So here the first button says take a tour, and when you press, this brings you to a YouTube short. And then we go back, you have book your date. So when you press that, it'll bring you to the Google form where your visitors have access to the calendar where they can book their date that they want to check in, and they have the option to also let you know when they want to check out. They have a space to put their name, phone number, and comments, and then they submit the form, and you will get this form by email. So now we're gonna go to the next section, which is the property section, and it's named the Schuilplaats. So you have here picture, a high quality image of the property, but this time from a slightly different angle. And you have at the bottom also an embedded link that brings them right to the contact page. So here basically we are encouraging the visitors and telling them what this gateway provides: a place to relax, unwind, or simply hide away from it all. And of course they have the contact button that they can access if they want to contact you right away and get started with their booking. So the next section here we have is the address. Location is key in real estate, right? Location, location, location. Here we have the address, which is Shantaweg 35. Here we put a nice picture of the inside of the house and the Google map embed, which is interactive. I like this because here visitors can see all the surrounding streets and what else is in the area. And of course, they can get their directions right off the Google map. Now let's go back. What is included? So we have the address and also what is included in this property when they book or when they purchase. So 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, hot water, AC, Wi-Fi, washing machine, security 24/7, a gate, hike through the forest, and yes, fishing in the lake. So all what is written, we have the little pictures so they could actually visually see it as well. So the next section we are going to explore is the sneak peek. Here you have images of the upstairs, you have the living room, and yes, the kitchen area. So a gallery section is essential for your real estate website or your rental website because photos are what truly sell the property, right? High quality visuals allow your guests to picture themselves living or staying there. And that is the reason for the interactive video right here at the bottom where it says have a look on the inside. So here they also have the option to click on this video and they'll be able now to take a tour of the property from the inside. So the next section we have is things to do. So for example, here we have a different things that they can do in the area. So you have Sneha Supermarket, which is 5 minutes away, Fit and Fun 15 minutes away, and then you have the Kwatta Market, which is only 20 minutes away. Now in this section we also have things to do in Paramaribo. So this adds extra value for your guests, showing them that their stay won't just be comfortable but also filled with activities. Yes, and you have 2 videos showing them all the different activities that are possible, and another link, trips and excursions from TripAdvisor, all the activities or all the possible activities that they could do while staying at this property. We'll just click on that. So here they have all the information of day trips that they could do while staying at that property. And to top it off, there is also a link with different car rental companies in Suriname. So when they do click on that, they have the possibility of finding different car rentals, so they could book their car right from the airport. Now the other section we have is take a tour. In this section, visitors can access the embedded video of how to drive from the main road all the way to the property. Here it says ride along. So when they click on this video, they can take a tour from the main road all the way to the house, to the property that they'll be staying in. And next, you have also a short video of how they can bond with nature. Remember, this is a gateway, a paradise gateway. So here, not only can they bond with nature directly, but also shows them, the fishing possibilities right from their property. And then it says, surrounded by a serene lake, coconut tree, sugar cane, and lush greenery. So we are just telling them what they can look forward to if and when they are ready to book this property. So finally, the contact section. Let's go there. You have phone numbers, email addresses that are listed. And again, you have a high quality picture of the property itself. So you have also here the Google form that's embedded here, so they can, put in their information, so they can take, so that you can actually contact them later. And in closing, this completes the walkthrough of the website. So as you can see, it flows naturally. So from the home page to the Schuilplaats page, the address, the sneak peek, things to do, take a tour, and yes, contact. This kind of website is perfect for realtors like yourself or rental hosts just like yourself, making it easy to showcase properties beautifully and encourage bookings right on the spot. So if you watching this video, if you are interested in having a custom website like this for your property or business, don't wait. So in the meantime and between time, click the link in the description to get in touch, schedule a consultation, and start building your professional, fully integrated website today. See you soon.